Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new English lesson. Please get your reading writing workshop book, Unit 3 ready, and let's start. This is a new unit, a new book. So this is how the book will look like. All right. The big ideas for this unit is changes over time, what happened over time. So the changes that happen over time. All right. And then, as you know, there are 5 units or 5 lessons, and each lesson have a different essential question that's related to the big ideas. We covered this in a previous lesson, changes over time. And we have the essential question, page 8 and 9. Let's listen.
Weekly concept. What time is it? Essential question. How do we measure time?
All right, so that's what we're gonna talk and read about for this week, how to measure time.
All about time. Talk about it. What are these children learning to do?
So, as we see, the children here having different clocks, and they will be talking about different activities that they do in different times. So, for example, what can they do 7 o'clock when they eat their breakfast, or when they go to school, when the class starts, when they go for their activity. So we children here also talk about hours and seconds and minutes, and the longest is hour. So what kind of activity you can do an hour, 1 hour, or what can you do in minutes? Like how long it will take you, for example, to go for a walk. You can go for like half an hour or 1 hour, but how long it take you to eat your breakfast? 20 minutes, 15 minutes, right? So the hours is longer than the minutes, and the second is the shortest, the hour is the longest. So how we measure time. I want to share with you something here. Okay.
A sundial shows the time with a shadow. As the sun moves throughout the day, the shadow changes position to show what time it is.
So this is in the old days, and sometimes people still use it just for the fun, the sundial. Using the shadow of part of that, they will tell you through the days when the sun position on the sky change, they will be able to tell the time. So that's a way to find out the time. Let's see.
An analog clock uses dials or hands to show the time.
And this is a popular one that we see in most of the places, analog clocks. So you get 2 hands, one represent or show hours, and the short one, and the long one will be showing minutes. Sometimes they have even the one that it goes by seconds, and it comes in different shapes and fun and colors. And over here, we can see the numbers.
A digital clock uses numbers to show the time.
Okay, and this is like most of what you see it in your, probably the car, radio, the digital clock that it show you the time using numbers.
An hourglass measures just a few minutes or an hour of time.
So this is an hourglass, measures just a few minutes or an hour of time. So sometimes people have it like they buy it in the kitchen, they want to see measure like 5 minutes, so you know that, yeah, you boil the eggs, so it takes that time. Or sometimes it shows an hour. So this is a different way to measure time. All right. So we're still in our reading and writing workshop book. We are on page 8 and 9, and we talked about the weekly concept, what time is it? And the essential question, how do we measure time? All right. Let's turn the page and listen to our words. Away. Do all birds fly away in fall?
Away. This is the word away. Say it with me. Away. Away. Do all birds fly away in the fall?
Very good. Second word, now. Let's listen.
Now. This is the word now. Say it with me. Now. Now. It's time for us to eat now.
So as you see, that's something that's just happening right now. So children are eating their food. Next word. Some.
Some. This is the word some. Say it with me. Some.
Okay.
Some. Some kids like to wear a watch.
Very good. Let's go for the next word. Today.
Today. It is my birthday today.
So it's a special occasion or a special event that people celebrate. All right, next one.
Way. A clock is one way to tell time.
All right.
Why? Why is summer a fun season?
All right. So let's read the words again. Away. Do all birds fly away in fall? Now. It's time for us to eat now. Some kids like to wear watch. Today. It's my birthday today. Way. A clock is one way to tell time. Why? Why is summer a fun season? So we talked about season before in social studies. That's weather is nice and people like to go to the beach or have outdoor activity. All right, so we're gonna read one more time the words. Away. Do all birds fly away in fall? Now. It's time for us to eat now. Some kids like to wear a watch. Today it's my birthday today. Way. A clock is one way to tell time. Why is summer a fun season? All right, so these are the words for this week, and as you know, the usual, you say the sentence for each word and then make up another sentence just for the fun to make sure that you do understand the lesson and the meaning of the words. Again, this is a new unit. We talked about the weekly concept. It's what time is it, but the unit big idea is changes over time, or what can happen over time. And this is the book. This is how the book look like. So unit 3. All right, that's it for today, first graders. Thank you. Bye-bye.